Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're playing Turbo Pop Simulator, so yeah, let's get to it. Okay, how am I cleaning up right now? What is happening? Why am I stalling? More power! More power! Just wait and gear deploy. I'm gonna try to like lower it to the front so then I can land there like that. Okay. Hey, land it. Oh. Okay. Go down. Okay. Okay. I'm coming. Full power. No. Oh. I messed up again. Go full power. This came from nowhere. Time. Target acquired. Bro got plane clapped for some reason. I don't know how bro got clapped. Bro got clapped. Pull it up. Pull it down. Okay. Target acquired. Can you try that? What do you mean? Pull down. Open fire. How did that not kill him? How did that? Oh, what the heck happened to one of my engines? Why is one of my engines out? Oh no. W pilot right there. W pilot move right there. If I'm going down, you're going down. Please tell me this is it. No view. What? Go. Oh! Wait. What?
What the segment?
Bruh. Help. Okay. Coming in for approach. Gear up. Losing speed. Turning. Full turn. Skibbity turn. Ohio race turn. Okay, that's W turn. I need to land this baby on the ground right now. I need to lose 20 more knots. I don't know. Never mind. 30 more knots, not 20. Okay. This is a chance that I can kill him. So if I like hit the ground before I gets to the for some reason, this ain't no good. Okay, landed. Now he's asking for clearance. Should have stayed in there. Oh! Help.